Was you snoring? Eh? Was you? You look me up and down for waking her up.